First of all,
It doesn't taste like almond.
well, I think there's almond.
Passion fruit.
Passion fruit. Welcome to Married to Portuguese. On each episode, my English-Irish husband, Bob, and I discuss and laugh about our life and adventures in the Portuguese culture.
On the count of 1, 2, 3.
He startled me.
Right in the middle of my bon dia. I gave you a count of 1, 2, 3.
It was a loud slap.
Clap. I didn't slap anybody.
No, clap.
Thank you.
Clap. Wow. Okay, so we're back.
We are back. Today we're talking about chocolate. Taste some chocolates today. But famously,
Yes.
between us,
Yes.
I really don't have a sweet tooth.
No, he doesn't.
I prefer savory. I would choose potato chips over chocolate any day of the week. And I would rather have a sandwich than a slice of cake normally.
Yeah. True story.
True story. Right now I'm thinking of like a toast of misha. Holy mackerel.
Yeah, you do like, that's one of your favorites.
I never say I am craving something sweet. I'm always saying I crave
Yes. Always something savory. Yep.
savory. So before we get into tasting our chocolate, I remember growing up, like Christmas stocking, we'd have candy in it. That'd be kind of cool.
Uh-huh.
I had paper routes or routes, depending on where you are in the world. So I made extra money that way as a kid. Cut lawns, shoveled driveways, hustled.
Yep.
Built me into the man I am today. And on the way to school, I'm talking like middle school. We'd pass a store, and we'd buy penny candy and stuff. Usually gum. I love gum. It's funny because we weren't allowed to chew gum at home, but I would chew gum. That was my guilty pleasure. But I mean, what are your memories with candy?
Oh my goodness, it's like the same thing. I mean, we're totally aging ourselves here, but I remember going to grammar school because I went to a public grammar school, but then for middle school on, it was Catholic parochial school that I went to. So in grammar school, we would walk to school, and there was a little shop. There were two shops, as a matter of fact. There was a corner one and another one further down that sold also cards and gifts and also sold candy. So one we would hit in the morning going to school, and the other one we'd go out of our way to go around to hit it on our way home. So, and it was penny candy. So we would always be like looking down at the ground because if anybody dropped change, we'd have extra change to, buy candy. And I liked the, in, what was it, that ring that had the big ring that had the
I think it was called a ring pop.
It was the ring pop. They had that there. Oh. That ring, that, the candy thing. Oh, the ring pop. Oh, yeah, that's right. And thank you.
You're welcome.
And I remember I remember people liking those root beer barrels of stuff that it was like, oh, for me. And I know you liked those. And so it was a lot of that. Then when I went to parochial school, if you were caught with gum, you had to wear it on your nose. You wore it on your nose.
It's worth the risk.
I mean, so you had to be very careful what kind of candy, what kind of stuff, like though you could not have, whatever. And if you had something in your mouth, you were going to swallow it before the nun asked you to open your mouth to see if you had anything in it. Because whatever it was, if it was gum, you would wear it on your nose.
Still in your intestines today.
Oh, it probably is. I don't know. But I guess, yes, Maria did wear gum on her nose. I can say that. Yes, I can. So those nuns they could get you right. Oh, Maria, do you get showing up?
But it sounds like we were both buying penny candy.
You were.
Chocolates and the candy bars cost a little bit more than a penny.
Oh, yeah,
that was a treat.
That was a special treat.
So if you were, back then, if you're going to get a candy bar, what would you get?
Oh, my favorite was always Snickers. Snickers was always my favorite. Because because it had the chocolate, it had the nougat, it had the nuts, so it had all of that stuff. That was always my favorite. That and Almond Joy. Those two.
See, Almond Joy to me just brings back like Halloween, like bite-sized Almond Joys. I was with you on like Snickers bars, Mars bars.
Oh yeah, bars, Milky Way.
I like marathon bars with the caramel. They looked like they were braided.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, with the marathon bars, and that was it. I never was a fan of Three Musketeer. Hershey bars were just okay. Crackle bars just okay.
Oh no, I like crackle bars. And the Hershey bars with almonds. Those were really good. Those I remember those. But the big treat for us, and at that time, we'd you couldn't find our chocolates here because again, back in the 60s, the mid to late 60s, early 70s, all that stuff, there weren't many Portuguese markets, or if they were, there was just a few of them here and there, and then eventually more and more started opening up. But in the very beginning, it was very hard to find our products. So one of the things, the chocolate that we were always like, oh, I can't wait to have, was Regina chocolates. That was the brand. And they had it where it was the plain chocolate with some almonds in it. And that was the original one that they had. Or they had ones with a thin layer of fruit in it. And they don't make that anymore. They don't. Because you would buy the ones with passion fruit in it and you'd bite into it and they'd be almost like a little jelly in it. And it was, or pineapple. That was also a favorite of ours. It was passion fruit, it was pineapple. What else was it that we had that was always so good? It was just always good. And orange and chocolate always go well together. But Regina chocolates was my favorite. That was the thing to have because it was Portuguese chocolates. And one of the things you have to understand when you go to Portugal or to any parts of Portugal, whether you're in the mainland or you're in the Azores or you're in Madeira and all that, the sweetness of chocolates are less. There's less sugar in their chocolates, and they use a better cacao, which is the higher the chocolate content is, you get more of that bitter kind to it, which is the good kind of chocolate, I think.
Well, they say it's healthier.
Yeah. And so when you go and visit there and you go to a grocery store, I highly recommend going to a grocery store. And at the checkout counter, they have it just like here. All the snacks, they're selling all the snacks there, all the chocolates. And you're going to find M&Ms. You're going to find Snickers. You're going to find Reese's. You're going to find all of those things being sold there. But when you bite into it, it's a different taste. It's not as sweet. So, and that's something that, people don't realize.
Reese's cups are great because of the peanut butter. And M&Ms.
Yes.
M&Ms are great also.
Yes.
All right, so what do we have? What are we going to taste?
So today, we, of course, are going to taste, because when we were at that market that we found in Providence, that we found the chips, as we were leaving, they had, I gotta go here. They were selling Regina chocolates. So they were selling the one that is just milk chocolate with some almonds in it, if I'm not mistaken. And then this one was the one with orange flavor to it. And this one was the coconut. So, not coconut. Oh, pineapple. What am I talking about? Now I'm imagining other things. So we got these and we thought, okay, Bob's going to taste them.
Let's taste them.
He's going to taste them and he's going to, because again, he is not a sweet person, not I can't wait to have a chocolate, whereas,
I'm still thinking about the bag of chips behind me.
And they are. They're still behind
us. This is the pineapple.
Oh, that smells so good. It's a darker it's yeah, I mean,
Well, the chocolate's really nice.
Yeah, the chocolate's really nice.
Just an undertone of pineapple.
It's not overpowering at all.
Not a natural combination, in my opinion.
No? Oh, see, I do. Oh, that's really good. Oh, how can you say that? Oh, it's really good, Bob.
I didn't say it. I mean, it's fine.
Pineapple. Incredible. Okay. Go on to your next one.
We're going to go to orange next.
We're going to go to orange.
So this is like Russell Stover's sampler box. Okay. And we're just tasting all sorts of things here. And
That's a good way to put it.
mm-hmm.
I remember those boxes.
Well, they still make.
Oh, yeah?
Mm-hmm. Let's see how this goes.
Nice smell. I'm just going to take a little.
The chocolate's terrific.
Yeah. So creamy.
The orange is better than the pineapple. Orange is a more natural pairing with the chocolate than the pineapple is.
I think they're both.
I'm sorry, you're just wrong. You're just flat out wrong.
I'm not wrong.
You are.
I'm not. Uh-oh. No. No.
By the way, we are missing a little bit of port wine.
Oh, my God. That would have been fantastic. Why didn't we think of that?
You weren't thinking.
I wasn't thinking.
No. I was busy setting up equipment.
Oh, yeah. No. They're both good. They're both so good.
And then finally, this is, I took my glasses off. So this was the chocolate with almonds.
With almonds.
Almonds are known as nature's candy.
He makes up things sometimes. And he makes it with and he says things with such a straight face that people go, really? And they question when it's not. It's not. There's nothing. It's not nature's candy.
Yes, it is.
Oh, see? That smells good. First of all,
It doesn't taste like almond.
well, it does almond.
Passion fruit.
This is passion fruit.
See, when you're expecting almond, and then you get the other nature's candy, passion fruit.
It's passion fruit.
All right, see, that's not fair. I was expecting something completely different. Like texture.
We left the almond behind. That's it. We left the almond behind. This is Medicasha. I read it. I need my glasses and I didn't read it right. It's my fault.
And without glasses, it really looks like an almond. It doesn't look it.
Oh, passion fruit. What do you think? What's your favorite here, honey bun?
Orange.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Pineapple. Definitely pineapple.
Really?
Oh, God, yeah. How can you see? Oh, it is.
Are you?
I'm Maria. Pineapple. Oh, yeah. Pineapple. Oh, definitely. So good. Just getting the chips again.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, no. Hands down. Pineapple for me. Mm-hmm. Well, you know what? We're doing this, and we figured out. No.
We hadn't figured it out.
Yes, they did. We did. We figured it. Pineapple for the win.
Oh, no. Orange for second. Pineapple for third. Passion fruit fourth. Potato chips number one. Completely number one.
No. Well, you know what?
The plain chocolate, but by itself, before the again, these are all fine products.
They are. They're all delicious.
So
they're all
we're
delicious.
just having some fun.
Yeah, they're all delicious.
The chocolate's delicious.
Oh my goodness, yes. And
I'm not a chocolate and fruit person. Even like strawberries dipped in chocolate.
Oh, so good.
It ruined a good strawberry.
See, there you go. So there's the
Dipped
difference.
it in bacon fat. Then I think you're onto something. Something gross, but you're onto something.
Oh, that sounds awful. It's us doing this, but what we really want you to do is we want you to pick this up. When you see this stuff, just pick it up. And so that you can have your own little taste. Yeah, your own little taste testing.
Doesn't cost anything.
No, it's hardly.
Costs a little.
A little bit. But it's worth it. It's worth it, folks. And yeah, but definitely pineapple to win.
Brothers to win. Okay. Thanks for laughing
guys.
with this.
Have
All
a
right.
great one.
Thank you for listening. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and we'd love to hear your ideas for topics. Ciao.